clothing phrasal verb. Put on, have on, throw on, take off, pull on, pull off.
Put on. To wear. Dress yourself or someone else with an items of clothing. He is putting on shirt.
Take off. Remove any item of clothing. He is taking off his t-shirt.
Have on. Meaning, wear an item of clothing.
She had a beautiful white dress on.
Throw on. Meaning, put some clothing carelessly and quickly.
He just threw on the first coat he found.
Pull on. Meaning, put on quickly.
She pulled on a jacket and left.
Pull off. Meaning, to take off clothes, especially quickly.
She pulled the dress off over her head.
Buying. Try on. Fit into. Get into. Pick out.
Pick out. Meaning, to choose one thing from a group.
I have picked out these two, which one should I buy?
Try on. Meaning, try some clothing for checking a better fit.
He tried on this coat and bought it.
Get into. Meaning, fit into.
I don't think I will get into this dress.
Closing. Zip up. Button up. Tuck in. Roll up. Buckle up. Do up.
Zip up. Meaning, to be closed by means of a zip.
Zip up your jacket, it's too cold.
Unzip. Meaning, to open a piece of clothing or a bag by pulling a zip.
Unzip your jacket.
Button up. Meaning, close something using a button.
Button up your shirt and go.
Unbutton. Meaning, to open the buttons on a piece of clothing.
Unbutton your shirt.
Buckle up. Meaning, close something using a buckle.
Buckle up your belt.
Tuck in. Meaning, place the bottom part of top inside your trousers or skirt.
Tuck in your shirt.
Roll up. Make sleeves, legs shorter. If you roll your sleeves or trousers up, you fold the cloth several times until they are shorter.
Roll up your sleeves and wash hands.
Roll down. Meaning, to unfold the edge of something, such as a shirt sleeve or pants leg, to make it longer.
Roll down your sleeves.
Do up. Meaning, to fasten, to tie up.
Can you do up my dress?
Weather. Bundle up. Wrap up. Strip down.
Bundle up. Meaning, to wear enough clothing to keep very warm.
You'd better bundle up because it's below freezing outside.
Wrap up. Meaning, put warm clothes on.
She wraps up warmly and went out.
Strip down. Meaning, to remove all or most of your clothes.
It's too hot, let me strip down.
Tiding. Hang up. Hang out. Fold up. Put away.
Hang up. Meaning, put clothes on the hanger.
The women hung up their coats and sat down.
Hang out. Meaning, used to dry washed clothes outside.
Have you hung the washing out?
Take down. Meaning, Take down the dried clothes. He is taking down the dried clothes.
Fold up. She is folding up the clothes.
Put away, meaning store something in its usual place.
Fold up the clothes and put them away.
Modify. Take in, take up, let out, turn up, let down.
Take in, meaning make clothing narrower.
I'll have to take this jeans in at the waist, it's too big.
Take up, meaning reduce the length of a piece of clothing.
This dress is little longer, I have to take it up.
Let out, meaning make clothing wider.
I am going to have this pant let out, it's too tight.
Let down, meaning make clothing longer with extra cloth.
This skirt needs letting down, it's too short.
Turn up, meaning shorten some clothing.
I want to turn up this dress, it's little long for me.
Wear out, meaning to make something useless through wear. Become damaged or useless.
He has worn out his socks.
Wear in, meaning to wear shoes or clothes to make them feel comfortable.
That sweater will feel better after you wear it in.
That shoes will feel better after you wear it in.
Dressing, dress up like, dress down.
Dress up, meaning dress in smart or formal clothes.
He likes to dress up for a party.
Dress down, meaning to wear casual clothes.
In many offices, people dress down on Fridays.
Dress up like, meaning to wear costume.
He was dressed up like Santa.
Go with, meaning they suit each other or they look good together.
I'm not sure, those shoes really go with this dress.
Show off, meaning to show something to a lot of people because you are very proud of it.
She likes to show off her new dresses.
Stand out, meaning to be easy to see or notice because of being different.
Her bright clothes always make her stand out in a crowd.
Grow out of, meaning become too large to wear a garment.
He quickly grew out of his clothes.
Inside out, meaning with the inner surface turned outwards.
These clothes are inside out.
Right side out, meaning in such a way that the intended outer surface is on the outside.
Turn the skirt right side out.